it's Stephanie here from Oh You're Lovely, and today's tutorial we are going to take just the simplest of cheese boxes. Yes, this is a cheese box. And we're going to make a fun arrangement. Cheese box. That's what we're gonna work with. But this is just a tutorial, honestly, to show you that you can make a beautiful arrangement in maybe possibly the strangest of containers. I'm from Wisconsin. I can't help it. I need to have a cheese box in my house. So that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna make a lovely kind of transitional, seasonal arrangement for right now. And we're gonna still drink iced coffee because it's still technically summer. All right, let's jump into it. All right, guys, for today's tutorial, you need a cheese box. You don't need a cheese box. You need something to hold your arrangement. That's what you need. We're going simple because this is rectangular. It fits my green floral foam perfectly. I mean, there's actually some room. It's fine. I'm not that worried about it. I am going to use a little bit of moss just on top, so I'm gonna do that right now. And then what you need, greenery. All of this is found at ohyourlovely.com, as well as some wood flowers. I'm gonna use cream. We're gonna go real simple, not dyeing anything, nothing. We're gonna take them right out as you get them in the package. I've already even stemmed these. It's gonna be a quick one, you guys. It's just gonna be a fun, let's just make something together, shall we, while we drink our coffee. That's what this tutorial is gonna be. So let's jump into it. I hope you really enjoy it. All right, guys, here we go. It's all cheese box. I'm not gonna be gluing this in at all. You can if you want. If you want a permanent fixture, by all means glue it in. I'm gonna use this cheese box again for other things, so I'm not going to glue it in. I've also just put a little bit of moss in here just to kind of cover my green floral foam. And let's just be honest on this. Let's go in here like that. Yes, perfect. That's all the moss I had left. That's why we're doing this. Otherwise, I probably would have put just a little bit more in there, but you know what? It's fine. Everything is fine. So first thing we're gonna do is fill out the greenery. And I've got a couple different kind of tones of like green, like darker greens, some more on the blue tones with this Italian ruscus. Let's see if we have to wire these all up individually. Hopefully not, but you never know. If we have to, it's super simple. Simon, take a wire. I'm gonna cut these in half because these Italian ruscus get pretty long. All that I'm doing is I'm going to thread my wire through this because this one goes straight through. I'm gonna loop it almost like it's a staple and just pop it in there. So I told you, simple Simon. So let's fill in the box first and then we'll add in our flowers. For this one, I don't know if I want, oh, I guess we'll keep it in there. If I change my mind, there's a little bit of a yellow undertone going on with some of the tops of this box, on this boxwood, that's what it's called. Feel good about the fullness of this in terms of the standard greenery. Now we're gonna throw in these fun, funky thistles. I love them so much. They look like little cheese balls. Oh, and they're so soft soft to the touch, not like a normal thistle that'll poke you when you're working with it. I really love these fuzzy leaves, so even this little one that, even though it doesn't have a thistle on it, I want to get those leaves in here as well. Get that in there, trim off that stalk. All right, let's get the flowers in next. And close my clippers, and I need to keep them open anyway. The stems for this do not need to be that long. We're playing pretty close to the box itself. But we are gonna kind of go and play with the heights just a little bit. I realized I've kind of got like a line going around here, and I don't know that I like that as much, so I'm gonna putz with this just for a minute and reshape some stuff, but we're getting there. We're getting there. There, that's better. Now we've got some dimension going on so it doesn't look like a straight line of flowers all the way across. There you have it, guys. Super, super simple. Going with cream and bark flowers, throwing in a couple pieces of greenery. You have a quick, fun arrangement and a funky little box, as I like to call them, funky junk pieces. Of course, mine is a cheese box. Yours doesn't have to be, but I mean, I wouldn't be upset if you made a beautiful cheese box arrangement. This is going in my house. This is gonna be a nice transitional piece between the summer to fall months. I'm thinking, it ain't looking too bad at all. It's pretty. These little thistles, I mean, they're big little thistles, but I'm loving them so much. So again, I did not make my, I did not put my floral foam, I didn't glue it in, so I can take this out at a later date if I choose to use my cheese box for something other than a floral arrangement. It's up to you for what you're doing, but the green floral foam did fit in perfectly in here, so there's no like scooting, moving, and all that fun stuff. So I hope you love this tutorial. I hope you got a kick out of it. It's probably a quickie, but every once in a while, we just need a quick, let's just chat. We didn't even chat because I was just in the zone, but you know what I mean. Just a quick, fun tutorial to get your inspiration going. That's all the talking I'm doing. I'm doing all the talking at the outro, y'all. Nonetheless, hope you're loving what we're doing around here. If you are, make sure to subscribe and ring that bell. And to find out about the 150 style Sola flowers, along with greenery and craft supplies, go to ohyourlovely.com. Until next time, this is Stephanie from Oh You're Lovely, and you, my friends, are absolutely lovely. Bye, guys.